To serve the people of Fiji has always been the motivation for former Acting Police Commissioner Ravi Narayan during his 37 years in the force. It has been an illustrious career that saw him work his way up the ranks. But Narayan wasn't supposed to be a police officer as he had an overseas scholarship for teaching. Felipe Nakaso with tonight's successful Fijian.
His mother wanted him to be a school teacher like his siblings. However, Narayan decided to opt for another career after his best friend persuaded him to attend a Fiji police force recruitment drive in 1977. Without his family knowing, he later got accepted into the force. At this time, Narayan was still a Form 5 student at Vasist Muni College in Navua.
So I informed my mother. She was a bit upset, and my family was upset. My brothers and sisters, they were all upset because they wanted to gain a higher education. But I think by that time I was decided that I should join the force.
Narayan graduated from the force a few months later and was posted at the Nadi police station, but his aim was to join the Criminal Investigations Department. He finally got the chance to join the CID and he excelled.
I was given opportunity to go for further training. I did a detective training, and then I was promoted to corporal and sergeant. My interest then started falling on the prosecution.
In 1997, he attended a detective's training course in Australia as an observer and later assisted in the establishment of the Detectives Training School at the Fiji Police Force Academy in Nassova. His fine work continued to catch the attention of his superiors, and Narayan was given more opportunities to travel. He attended an FBI training in the US and other workshops in Australia, Japan, France, Nepal and Ghana. Following this, he started to climb the ranks.
And then I was posted as Division Crime Officer South, and then to West, and from there to Director CID, and then to police headquarters on many positions like Director Community Policing, Director of Planning, and then I was promoted to the Assistant Commissioner, and then held the position of Chief of Staff.
In 2013, he reached the pinnacle of his career as he was the Acting Police Commissioner. And now looking back, Narayan stated that he never regretted attending the recruitment drive.
Life in the police force was, for me, was very enjoyable. The journey from 1977 to 2014 was excellent. I've never regretted. I've worked hard and I made sure that I served the people well.
A year later, he volunteered to retire from the force and opened his private investigators firm. Narayan decided to close the business a few years later as he wanted to focus on personal things. The 64-year-old, who is married with 2 children, is now enjoying retirement life, which is more centered on his family and religion. Felipe Nakaso, FBC News.